What's up, playing Slime RNG? First time, by the way. So, roll your first time. Hey, Goopy. Hello, Goopy. Yeah, fight. Fight. Yeah. Okay. Hey, Finn. Another one? Come on, man. Sunset. Open upgrades. Backpack. Bye. Close. Backpack. Keep slime. Earn 200. Okay. Get that money. More. Is there more? Ah, there. Yeah, give me the money. More money. Yeah. Let's go upgrade. Auto roll. Okay. Yeah, 400? Okay, man. Hey, yo, dang. Oh, that's so cool. That's so good. Okay, Goopy. Sunset. This is kinda cool. Oh, 2x. Oh, Leafy. Backpack. Is there unlimited slimes? Sunset. Yeah. So the spawn camp here. Oh, upgrades. You know what? Earn 400. Oh, meow. Hello, meow. Okay, let's go to backpack. Let's use this guy. Let's go unlock the zone. I got a bonus. Got a fin. Leafy. Okay, what's next? That's it? Another bonus. Meow. What was the bonus? Another bonus. Sunset. Where do they usually spawn right here. Okay. So, yeah, enemies. I need more enemies. Loot. Okay, nothing. I need something more. Like luck boost. Yeah, let's go luck boost. Yo, stop! Bro, why they're inside now? Yo, oh, ah! No way, bro. First, hello, Orca. W. I'm gonna switch it. W. This one's worse, sir. W. What the? No. Okay, I need luck boost. What? No luck boost? What's the point of cheese? Oh. Dang. Hey, golden rolls. I've seen that on Batch's video. Let's buy that shit. Okay. And that's it. Player. Okay. Okay. Golden rolls are on 8. Let's go. W. Here. Oh, I got some more. Open. Eh. What about loot? What's the point of cheese? I'm gonna save for luck boost. Here. 2, 4. Ah, meow. Oh, cheese. W cheese. What's this? Items. Feed to the greatest. Okay. Bro is just flexing. Okay. Oh yeah, I got enough for luck boost. Okay. Here. Dang! Yo, you're almost dead. Hey, come back, come back. No, 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 no. Don't die, don't die, don't die. Come back, 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 come back. Whew, the grasslands. Stay here. You're about to die. Keep it. Run, 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 run. Okay, right here. What should I do? But player, nothing. Will I do absolute nothing? Oh yeah, well, it's okay, that's just useless. Leafy. I'm gonna save right there. Polar. Kill this. Hey, back. Hey, stay back, stay back. I got 2 upgrades. What should I upgrade today? Backpack. Okay. Oh, luck. I need some luck. W. Wait, wait. Got something. Whoa! 1,000! Spike. Well, oh, hell no. Get out here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Bye-bye. Okay, let's get back. Okay, I'm gonna save for this guy. What's this UFO thing? Maybe event index. Okay. What big? Wait. I can evolve this? How can I evolve with this guy? Huh? No. Oh, okay. Luck was yes. Goopy. What kind of luck boss is that? Cheese. Golden roll. Oh, beefy. Yeah, fight. Oh, we're so close to get that thing. I know. Yes, we're so close. We're so close. So super close. Just 2 more kills. Or 1 more kill. King. King. Yeah, let's go. W. Now I need some like luck upgrades. Okay. I'm just gonna AFK here. Oh, 2x. Ah, buggy. Can I sell in this game? No, 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 no. Do not die, please. Oh, that was great. 2x? Ah, sunset. Okay. I'm gonna save for 10,000 for luck or extra golden rolls. Or faster rolls. What's the bonus for? Golden rolls. No. Oh, man. Auto roll, man. Auto roll. Hide. Okay. Gonna save for this thing. Oh, I can already buy it. That was nothing. Oh, slime slots. Slots. Nah, yay! I can get more slimes now. What in the heck, luck? No, I have my best slime right here. Yeah, fight them. I got a rare one. Yeah, I'm gonna remove you, bro. And the oh, another spiky. Let's go get the spiky. Yeah. Let's go orbit. What did you get? I'm gonna say spiky. Why are we talking like we're friends? Hey, why you have a... What did you hold a gun? A good one. Yeah. I'm gonna upgrade some more. Oh, loot. No luck boost? Egg. I'm hungry, okay? Hey, I got more enemies. Cool. There you are. Dar. No. Chillax. Hey, no sneak attacks, man. Yeah, you're healing, man. So they can't die. That's great. So there's slime sludge. Let's go, slime sludge. Man, slime sludge are so good. Big slimes. W. What about... Yeah, slime sludge. Go to backpack and use you. And now let's kill them all. Oh man, bro, single-handedly. Yeah, the boys. Younger brother and all of his big brother. Yeah, cook them all. Dang, they are all bullies. Oh, I don't have enough money. Hey, at least I got some luck. Never mind. No slimes. Oh, faster rolls. W. Extra golden rolls. Loot. Wait, auto roll? There is auto roll? Oh, okay. More clovers. What's that for? How can I sell? Can I sell? Cannot sell? Oh no. I almost got killed. No, do not die yet. Please. Yeah, heal up. Hey, run. Oh, Scorchy. W. Run. There are gangsters right there. Get out. Yeah, fight them. Yeah, they're all cooked. Yeah. Okay, run. Do not fight, guys. Do not fight. They are not bullies. They are friends. We have no enemies. Oh, let me get that egg. Hey, get out. Do not follow me. No. Hello, player walk speed. Okay, I want to move faster. Rapid rolls. This ain't rolling faster. I'm just gonna save. Oh, Scorchy. I'm just gonna AFK until I got 50k. Yeah. Watch these little kids for me, okay? I was just watching the starter pack. That is a total steal. Oh, dang. Double roll? Nah. More loot. Hell no. Huh? Start for... Oh, I got enough money. Yay! Let's go. Hey, little kids, come here. No, I got too many friends now. 2x. Oh, yeah. Okay. While you guys are here, I'm just gonna AFK right here and look at some things that I want to buy. I should get more luck. And big slime. Wait, haven't I gotten a golden roll yet? Let's wait for a golden roll. Oh, so close to a golden roll. Come on, faster, faster, faster. Bonus. Okay, bonus. Okay, bonus. Jackpot! Please. Okay, lucky. Okay, W lucky, W lucky. Oh, golden roll. Let's go. Golden roll. Please, 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 please. Well. Oh, axolotl. Let me go to backpack and boom. And then no. Boom. Dang, poor dude. How can I sell? Again? Dang, I'm lucky. I got a legendary spider. Great way. W. Let me feed the spider. Hey, let's go. Oh, I got too many money. What should I buy? How much money do I get? Oh my god! Big slime or luck? Big slime or luck? Big slime or luck? Let's go with big slime. Big slime are more bigger than slimes. That's better. So what should I get? Luck boost? Currency boost? Money? Or fries? You know what? Money. Because if I buy this, I get more money and I can buy more money. See that? Oh, dang, that was fast. Yeah, so that more money is equal to more money. See that? That is efficiency. So give me more money. You're about to die, spider. Heal, please. Heal. Hey, do not fight. My guy, do not fight. Dang, you guys are rushing. Heal, man. Heal. Run, 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 run. Heal, man. Okay, that's enough. Hey, I got a bonus and a meow. And a leafy. Cool. Meow. Again? How much pets do I have? Damage. Rarity. Equip best. Yeah, this is the best. Cool. I already have 100. Oh, that was fast. That was really, really fast. More luck. Let's go more luck. And even more luck. Yep. I'm gonna AFK until I oh. Okay. I'm gonna AFK until I get another epic find. My fries! Dang. Give me that thing. W. Let me get up here. Yeah. Big goopy! Wow. Bad. Come on. Give me something good. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, man. Dang, I got so much money. Let's use all of those money. Coin income. Yes, I will be billionaire like Elon Musk. Taco. Okay. No, bro, everything is expensive now. Oh, more enemies? Wait. Oh, hello, Gaia. Welcome again. Aw, man. Wait, I got lucky, diba? Oh, right. What do I have to pay again? That's literally me when I got the job. Oh yeah, players. Never mind. Bruh. This thing? Yeah, let's get more enemies. To get more money, and to get more money, to get more enemies. Oh hell. Come on, come on. Ah! Every golden roll, I always get Finn. Bonus, bonus, and meow. Wow. Well, I'm never gonna win a bingo game ever again. Wait, why are there three of you now? And why are you guys inside of a wall? Come here, guys. Okay, there's no four. Okay, W. A bonus, bonus, and meow. Wow. Bro, how long is this gonna go, bro? Okay, I was back from pooping a literal, like, it's not even a, doesn't even look like a poop. It's shaped like a Big Mac. And look how much money I got. Golly. And did I got something new? Oh, a spider. W. Hey, that's it. Stay tuned tomorrow, and I will open the gate. Subscribe. Unless if I don't get a single subscriber to the next week, okay. Axolotl, Lakbus. Nah, I'm not gonna live with that. Okay, subscribe right now. Okay, bye bye.